guys, welcome to PC Drills, where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today I will be showing you how you can invite members to a Facebook group. So no matter if you are the owner or you are just a member of a Facebook group, you have the possibility to be able to invite your friends to any group that you like and the group is of use to you. So today I will be showing you how you can invite members. First, you open your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook application, you need to go to the group that you wish to invite your friends. So for example, I come to this search. A group I wish to invite is a computer problems handler group. So when I click on the search, I just need to write the name of my group and search it. Once I can see the group I wish to look for, I just click on the name of the group. After clicking, it has to open directly to the group's main page. Once it has opened the group's homepage, on the first page you can just see invite. It's always above, just below the group image. So here you can just see down here under the members, you see invite. Even for a normal member that's not an admin, you also see invite. What you will not see is manage, because you cannot manage something you don't own. So the invite button is always below the group image. So any group you are in, so far as you can access the group, you just look under the group name, under the group image. First thing under the group image is usually the group name, and after you have the type of group and members, and then you can have the invite button before you can post something. So before they write something or tell me what you think, or any option I have to post in the group. Thank you for watching. That's just the tip we wanted to show you today. See you next time on our next video. Please invite people to our group just like it was shown today. So you just click on the invite button and it displays the number of friends you have. So any friend I'm being shown here is a friend I've not yet invited to the group. So with this option I can click on invite. I just have to click on invite for it to invite the friend to the group, so the friend will receive a notification message. So that's just how you do it. So after inviting, you see the pop-up telling you that the particular person has been invited to the group. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.